Welcome to ChatGPT's Passive Income Strategies, where we share inspiring stories and practical tips on how to create a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment through passive income. In today's episode, we have a special guest, Sarah. We'll share her journey to generating passive income and the strategies she learned from ChatGPT's channel. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. It was a typical Monday morning, and Sarah was sitting at her desk, staring at her computer screen, feeling frustrated and exhausted. She had been working as a marketing executive for 5 years, and although she was successful in her career, she felt unfulfilled and burnt out. She longed for more freedom and flexibility in her life, and the idea of generating passive income had been on her mind for a while. One day, Sarah stumbled upon a YouTube channel called ChatGPT's Passive Income Strategies. She was intrigued by the name and clicked on the first video. The host was a young man named Alex who claimed to have made over $100,000 in passive income in the last year. Sarah was skeptical at first, but as she watched more videos, she realized that Alex had some valuable insights and strategies that she could apply to her own life. Sarah decided to take action and follow ChatGPT's advice. She started by creating an online course about social media marketing, which was her area of expertise. She used ChatGPT's recommendations on how to structure the course and how to market it online. To her surprise, the course became a hit, and she started earning passive income from it. Encouraged by her success, Sarah decided to take it to the next level. She quit her job and decided to start an online business, selling digital products and courses. She used ChatGPT's recommendations on how to optimize her website, how to create valuable content, and how to market her products effectively. The first few months were tough. Sarah worked long hours, and the income was slow to come, but she persevered, and soon she started seeing results. Her website traffic increased, and she started making more sales. She reinvested her profits into her business, and it started growing at a faster rate. One day, Sarah received an email from Alex, the host of ChatGPT's Passive Income Strategies. He was impressed with her success and invited her to be a guest on his show. Sarah was thrilled and nervous at the same time. She had been following Alex's advice for months, and now she had the opportunity to meet him in person. The day of the interview arrived, and Sarah went to the studio where the show was filmed. She was introduced to Alex, was just as friendly and enthusiastic as he seemed in his videos. They chatted for a few minutes, and then Alex started the interview. "So Sarah, tell us how you got started with passive income," he asked. "Well, it all started when I stumbled upon your YouTube channel," Sarah said. "I was feeling burnt out of my job, and I wanted to find a way to generate passive income. Your videos gave me some great ideas and strategies, and I decided to take action." "That's great to hear," Alex said. "Can you tell us more about your online business?" "Sure," Sarah said. "I started by creating an online course about social media marketing, and it became a hit. Then I decided to start an online business selling digital products and courses. I used your recommendations on how to optimize my website, how to create valuable content, and how to market my products effectively." "That's fantastic," Alex said. "How much passive income are you making now?" "Well, it varies from month to month, but on average, I'm making around $5,000 a month," Sarah said. "That's impressive," Alex said. "What's your long-term goal with your online business?" "My long-term goal is to generate enough passive income to achieve financial freedom," Sarah said. "I want to travel the world, spend time with my family and friends, and have the flexibility to pursue my passions." "That's a great goal, Alex." "That's a great goal," Alex said with a smile. "And it's definitely achievable with the right strategies and mindset." Sarah nodded in agreement, feeling inspired by Alex's words. They continued to talk about her business, and Alex asked her about her biggest challenges and how she overcame them. Sarah shared her struggles with self-doubt, fear of failure, and the need for discipline and consistency. Alex listened attentively, nodding his head in understanding. "I think those are challenges that most entrepreneurs face at some point," Alex said. "The key is to have a growth mindset, to be willing to learn and adapt, and to keep taking action even when you feel uncertain or overwhelmed." Sarah smiled, feeling grateful for the wisdom and encouragement that Alex was sharing. She realized that the success she had achieved was not just because of the strategies she had learned from his videos, but also because of the mindset and attitude she had developed along the way. As the interview came to an end, Alex thanked Sarah for sharing her story and insights. He then turned to the camera and addressed his viewers. "Thank you for watching today's episode of ChatGPT's Passive Income Strategies. I hope you found it valuable and inspiring. Remember, Generating passive income is not just about making money, but also about creating a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. So keep learning, keep taking action, and keep believing in yourself. Until next time, this is Alex signing off. Sarah walked out of the studio feeling energized and motivated. She realized that her journey to generating passive income was just beginning, and that there were many more opportunities and challenges ahead. But she was ready to face them with the strategies and mindset she had learned from ChatGPT's passive income strategies. As she walked down the street, she took out her phone and opened her YouTube app. She scrolled through the videos of ChatGPT's channel, looking for her favorite ones. She smiled as she watched Alex's face on the screen, feeling grateful for the impact he had on her life. She knew that she still had a lot to learn from him, and she was excited to see where this journey would take her next. Thank you for watching today's episode of ChatGPT's Passive Income Strategies. We hope you found it valuable and inspiring. Remember, creating passive income is not just about making money, but also about creating a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. So keep learning, keep taking action, and keep believing in yourself. Until next time, this is Chat signing off.